Hello, welcome to another recipe. So we've got 2 cans of tuna. So we're gonna drain all the oil from the tuna as much as possible. Which, by the way, I didn't drain as much as possible in the beginning, so I'm gonna have to do it later on, which I will tell you. But the more you drain now, the better for your recipe. Like I said, drain as much as possible. Okay, so I'm gonna place the drained tuna, inside a bowl, tray, a plastic container, whatever you got on hand. So I'm gonna use 2 eggs. Let's crack them down. And let's whisk the eggs really well. Okay, so I'm gonna be adding the whisked eggs with the tuna. Mix it really well, as much as possible. So in here, as you can see, still quite a lot of oil in there. So I'm gonna use 1 lemon to get the lemon zest from it. Mix well. Like I said, I'm still gonna have to drain a little bit more, so you will notice in a second. So if you like to have one of those beautiful Japanese knives, really sharp ones, we got the link down below in the description. So fresh coriander, so let's chop it really fine, something like that. And let's get some spring onions and chop the spring onions as well. That knife, it's absolutely amazing. It makes the whole difference when you're cutting vegetables, meat, or whatever it is. Absolutely brilliant. Precision. Make your life so much easier. So let's add the spring onions. And now we're gonna mix everything up again. So like I said, still gonna have to drain it a little bit. I'm gonna do it off camera, sorry about that. I'm gonna be adding salt. As you can see, I already drained a little bit more. Should have been done in the beginning, but we're not all perfect. Black pepper. Ground ginger or fresh ginger, it's entirely up to you. And mix well again. Get all those flavors together. So now with your hands, so what we're gonna do is like small ping pong balls, size of ping pong balls, with the tuna, as you can see. And we're gonna do this for the whole amount of tuna. So put those little balls in a plate, on top of a plate, and if you flat them a little bit down, that will make sort of tuna cakes. You can do on a different size, but this size, it's a perfect to cook. It cooks really fast and just perfect. So I'm gonna use olive oil or vegetable oil, whatever you got in hands, and we're gonna put a little drizzle of olive oil. Just brush the pan around. Let it get really hot and place the tuna cakes in a frying pan. If your frying pan is big enough to cook them all in one go, just do it. If not, do it in 2 times. So I'm gonna be cooking them for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. So I just want them golden brown. So just be aware of that. Look amazing. Look at that. Looks really fresh. Beautiful. So I'm gonna flip them around, and as you can see, nice and golden color. You can do them a bit more done if you like, but I will suggest to be golden brown. So another 3 to 4 minutes, depending on your stove, depending what frying pan you're using. So perfect, they're ready. Here we go. They look amazing. It's a really easy recipe, anyone can do it, you know, for a little snack, as a starter, or just because you want to do it. Perfect. So now I'm gonna mix a little bit of hot sauce with mayonnaise. You can just have the mayonnaise, or you can mix a bit of tomato sauce if you don't like spicy, a bit of coriander, mix it well, and I'm gonna be serving my tuna cakes with mayonnaise and hot sauce. Enjoy, thank you, bye bye.